This skid here has 3 Bogie wheels that we're going to be installing today. Not all models have 3 idler wheels to be installed. Depends on the year, make, and model of your sled. First, we'll be moving this front idler wheel, and we'll be using some sockets and some wrenches to get this done. Make sure to use and keep all existing hardware. On the back of your Bogie wheels, they'll have an L and an R indicating on which side of the sled it goes on. So this one has an L, we'll be installing it on the left side. Now we'll be installing the middle idler wheel. We'll be using a snap ring pliers to pull off the snap ring off this shaft. Again, with the Bogie wheel, it indicated left for the left side of your sled, and use all existing hardware. Next, we will be removing the rear wheels. In order to do that, we'll be using 2 sockets or wrenches. After getting the rear wheels out, on these OEM wheels, we'll have to remove the bolts that holds these 2 wheels together. Once we got that taken apart, then it's time to install the Slydog Bogie wheels. Again, listed on the Bogie wheels, an L and R for left and right. And with this particular model, we have 2 bushings to help hold the wheels in their correct location. Now it's time to reinstall the Bogie wheels. Next, we will be checking the free spin of the Bogie wheels to make sure they were seated properly. And make sure that you have them on the right way, with the L being on the left and the R being on the right. If you have any more questions, check out the installations link at slydogskis.com.